Chame, we dear Mestre na weekday ama atumira. Se mijinaha na mijinahama a friend Young Professionals and Youth Coalition Initiative, YPYC for short. Medano. Na mijinaha dear mijinahama the student body. I walk in kuma siapomo. Yura no an chancellor. Nipa ejina hai a representative of the Student Representative Council. A friend of SRC. Dear a friend of GRASAC, Graduate Student Association. Almost eka hon. And I invest in paying for eka hon. And until na dombebre when you know students omo Kwame Nkrumah Suapon ho yura chancellor. Na ne dapon da kese edman tu for chairman fi say ye ba ha won niema miensa emu edi kan ye de aseda kese me di students anim de aseda kese de amema yura santehene emra wodi nim fie 25 years pepepe niema kese a wa ye wo Ghana ha ni titiru pa baako K University eno ye woni ena oyeye na anything 25 years ago we could see ya na menya opportunity eba ha ebesere miwura say SRC ya yegina ha na student body yegina ha ya fa ni sunsum na kwankyere a oyeye enti yaka ye ho abom a yaje sika ya ye design a ye besi hostel befa nipa be 1000 na sa hostel yuso yenyan wo ne nyansiye na ye ba na ye de ato ewura Otumfuo say to the second hostel na there one say Otumfuo chame be twa na tiawa ewura at that time wagitum wo hu hwe eso wagitum ne sa to nsa friend say no nti ye ba ko cut sword ana ye te fund ni mpo a de betua no you run no can horse ma na adjusman hene ma no be representing no e launch fund no ye wie no asi e de be cut sword invest in amaya asase e no say ono abetietia ne cha mu aba na nwanwa ye yewura 25 years ago ayeken oba Kwame Nkrumah Suapon mu ho e be cut sword no se na nananom nyina e wa ha no enim yensantwa ye that accommodation a problem. Mitia one say, Sadanya, you cut it so you will be dear in 2014, and I commissioned the first phase of the SRC hostel. They said 25 years I celebrate students and say, and near ma, you Ryan, because the name Omomijana, Chief of Staff of SRC in the General Chain, or the full air conditioned hostel, rather romantic. And to me, say, yeah, the aseda kesi at Bebrera. So we did 25 years here. Now, Oma Chiche Omonsem, Eddie Gu, the Ombesom Kachiri no Omo Abekai, Nam so made you omenim because Mena, that time, Messunana, me SRC president. Me di omenim edeba. Na, and me young say, Cassia say, dear Badia, no semi dear tree, na me do omoba. And 1 pointer, a dear bar, and 2 for chairman. The second one, any young professionals. Iradawma, a yekua, yedititi mebuna, ma fa, metiti omu. You started 15 solid years ni, and I yetiti leadership, and not just leadership, transformational leaders, and setting role models. Inti fie dunum die, yatiti mebunua leaders, all student leaders are dachi and who one faso ema Ghana ni wiasingina. In the 15th edition, no, baso. K University ha na vice chancellor ya mame first female vice chancellor Kwame Nkrumah etechire no say leadership there ontimi na ne one ne pro vice all the universities are supporting into 15th anniversary say 3 years ne de ba ne ye no nkran na 3 years ye de ba ha so no ye good ayi ye to yensa frɛ yewura sad time oma ono ne asafo hide e beta chie be speech the Edmaya. Omsa second year, 2000 and 23 start to say oma na abafo anantahene ene abafo apagahene ebai. The third one year 15th anniversary no say ene omo nya chance ene Otumfuo anniversary omo hia no ne interactive or ba campus oma ye chancellor's week nyina ama no we dey omo so students week a omo ye e dey ama yura no ti omo apese omo to omo sa e dey free yura as a special guest of honor for the 15th Transform Summit omo ye no na so okay ebio me say dey animu e dey krata no aba ti no eso ne number 2 pointer e dey ba se be free yura na ya be invite no dey animu nyam abetachi na dey pipe omo so omo apese omo ka yura obatie from anum. The third one is enne ye gina hoyi yura enne ye ma woda kese na o se me ba mira ho e ba di nhira agye mpaibo eno nti na e ba nti enne ma woda mira na me ba baje se me wo ha na sante hina daruma nti na o se atomi na me ba ha de o se me ba na me ba si ni sem hira na me danase se ne o de andi so adruye ti ne kwakra school for nso once na kra ni hwe omo akuta omo amamre mu na me kire omo amane no omo kuta omo snap adaka ba ko omo de ba na omo precious thing on wo ha no omo citation na omo pese omo kan ma nipa nyina ete asem ewom enti yebesre Otumfuo chairman say ewura be ma ye kwan a na nko akan of course ye de manua nipa nti omo si de omo wa omo pese omo kan ma nipa te say santehene Otumfuo say to the ayama student no nti wadaroma mesre nanka e de ama omo akan man.
Africa Role Model in Traditional Leadership Award. Citation in honor of His Excellency Otumfuo Osei II, Asantehene. The Asanteman Wura personifies royalty and regal splendor. Your quintessential leadership skills transcend Asanteman, your jurisdiction. Your reign has witnessed massive transformational projects spanning education to the provision of social amenities. A modern-day king who combines traditional and cultural values with contemporary leadership principles to restore peace where there is chaos and instability, who brings hope, relief, and succor where there is despair, and who has for over 2 decades, 25 years, to be specific, expanded the frontiers of education for thousands of Ghanaian youth in the low-income earning bracket. Our founder and leader, Andy Okra, is a direct beneficiary. From politics to education, Otumfuo Osei II has provided the much-needed moral authority and contained potentially volatile ethnic and national situations away from the prying eyes of the media and the unsuspecting public. This is in recognition for your most outstanding transformational leadership and excellence in traditional governance and youth development, with the establishment of the Otumfuo Education Fund, the Teachers Award Scheme, and mobile learning projects, all under the Otumfuo Charity Foundation. It is an exercise in futility, attempting to capture your credentials on a piece of paper. But suffice is it to say you are a treasured symbol whose singular personality epitomizes and transcends cultural and national boundaries. Your Royal Majesty, yet another credit to your name was the win-win mediation of KNUSC impasse between the students, university authorities, and government. You are a chancellor par excellence. Above all, your name is etched in gold for the pioneering role played in ending several chieftaincy feuds, noticeably the intractable Dabon chieftaincy conflict, which you skillfully navigated to secure the current peace being enjoyed by the people. By this, you demonstrated that exceptional leadership and charisma are time-specific, and that you understand change is life's best innovation and invention. Otumfuo, a symbol of hope, peace, honesty, and transparency, has marketed brand Ghana as a safe investment destination, attracting foreign direct investments with its attendant provision of jobs. On this 5th day of June, the Governing Council of YPYC, on behalf of all members, confers on you our most prestigious title, the Ultimate Grand Africa Role Model Lifetime Achievement Award. Your Royal Majesty, Ariko. Signed, Andy Osei Okra, founder and president of YPYC. Pacho Nana Mesan so asre on behalf of Omanyina, said July 6th, 15th summit, na ye hold wo KNUST. Pacho yesreo, ye pese yeso yes share within kunim, na ye ne will have it within your nyams kafra, near spend the time with you, ye da se.